guys, okay, so this is a 9-piece set of silhouette black cats. They are made of corrugated plastic, and I just kind of wanted to go show you kind of how they're designed. Again, this is corrugated plastic. Each of them are fairly sturdy, and what you'll do is you'll actually take the stickers that they provide you to go ahead and place on the eyes, and then these stickers are glow in the dark. So you can see kind of the triangles that are right there, and what you'll do is you'll place them there on the eyes that are on each silhouette. So just to kind of give you an idea as to all the different shapes that they have, again, this is the 9-piece set. These are fantastic. They're really, really great. Most of them are about 1.5 feet. This one here is going to be the tallest, and it's about 18 inches tall. And then in order to stake them in your ground, they did provide you with a whole bunch of these little stakes that are fiberglass, and they're super thin. And what you'll do is you'll actually go ahead and take them and stick them into the little notch of each of the corrugated plastic. You'll actually go ahead and kind of just slide it in there. See if I can get in there. There we go. You'll slide it in there, and it'll go ahead and go all the way through. And then once you get it to a certain spot, you can actually go ahead and stick the remainder of this stick into the ground in order to hold it up. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and y'all have a great day.